Hello, Mick.
Can you guess where I'm going?
No, I don't think I can.
Do you want to know?
Yes, of course.
I'm going to play with my new doggy. Well, are you coming?
Yes, I am.
Hey, doggy, where are you? There you are.
Your doggy is very cute, Mick. Aren't you missing something, Mick?
Yes, a ball. Fetch the ball! Fetch the ball!
Mick, I think that beach ball is a little too big for the doggy. Maybe a smaller ball would be better. Here you go. A small ball.
A small ball. Fetch the ball.
The doggy is thirsty, Mick. Mick, where are you running off to?
To get some tea for the doggy. I made you tea.
Mick, dogs don't drink tea.
Don't drink tea? Hot chocolate?
They don't drink hot chocolate either. Dogs drink water. Here's a water bowl for your doggy.
He's drinking.
Yes, Mick, well done. You're taking very good care of your doggy.
What do you want, doggy? Do you want to go to sleep?
Does your doggy want to go to sleep, Mick?
Yes, sleep.
So here's a doghouse for your doggy.
A house. A small house.
This doghouse is the doggy's house, not Mick's.
No, the dog house is a doggy's house and Mick's house too. What? You don't want to go to sleep? Oh, you want to go for a walk. He wants to go for a walk.
Well, then here's a leash so you can walk the doggy.
A dog leash. How very nice.
You are taking such good care of your doggy. Well done, Mick. Ball. Water bowl. Doghouse. Leash. Doggy. And Mick. See you soon, Mick.